Welcome to Room Tone. Take a good look around. This is your tribe. And the main reason we wanted to do this event was to build this community. Thank you, everybody.
This event really captured the community we have, and I was actually kind of blown away to see how big that community is.
The first step is making the connection with the right people, and I was able to meet some people tonight that can really help me out.
My favorite thing about Room Tone was hearing from other professionals and then how I can implement better within my business.
Since I'm just starting out, it's given me a good idea about how much I should be charging for certain things.
Connecting with people, whether it was about weddings or screenwriting or just talking about gear.
When Kevin was talking about a rising tide raises all ships and we should be each other's biggest fan, I thought that was really cool. I think that's really important, and that's my biggest takeaway here.